Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Jerome Alexander MagicMinerals 2PC medium. She loved it too, and went right out to a CVS near her, and bought it. I've had the product for about maybe 1 or 2 months now, and it's okay. Love this product. Has the same look as the high-end makeup, and costs half the price. It doesn't correct as well on its own, but it is good coverage for a powder. It's really light, says blends with any skin tone, but this is not true. It's basically for those who are eyebrow lighter. Love how the different dots of color cover redness, or whatever the problem may be. It looks and feels great, not heavy or caked on looking, and price is reasonable. There seemed to be problems doing it that way, but finally got better at it. This arrived in the mail today, and the product compact is missing. It wasn't in the cardboard box. Love this foundation. It's amazing. As a 44-year-old woman, the flaws and imperfections almost vanish. I've tried lots of high-end products that promise exactly what this product does, except not one of them actually did. This product is very good, but it is a bit pricey for the amount of product you get. It gives very good coverage with blending facial tones, but feels very light and smooth on your face. It doesn't hide as many flaws as they lead you to believe, but it is a good finishing powder. I've been looking for a new foundation for a while now, and I've finally found what works for me. The look was different, especially when it came to the colored pigments in the foundation. It actually makes wrinkles more noticeable, and it definitely doesn't correct dark circles or redness. It really doesn't cover like it shows to do on TV, but it is okay. You can apply it as light or heavy as you like, and stays on all day. Love. Ordering online is so hard for shades. This product is blendable, smooth, the perfect amount of dew matte, and so fast to apply. Bought at local store. Amazed it worked so great. Have to go light at first, but one-stop coat off. Works great. It doesn't blend into your face color, and it shows all your wrinkles and crevices. It's horrible, and it's definitely not worth $20 any longer. This product comes with a compressed nude colored powder, which has small colored powders mixed in to help conceal different skin flaws or redness. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.